So welcome back, everyone. Today I am participating in a collaboration with Lauri over at Creative Lauri and Denise Jordan over at This and That with Denise Jordan. And our collaboration is called the Dishes for Small Spaces collaboration. So recently, several YouTubers reached out to Denise and expressed their interest in learning how they can take advantage of displaying their dishes in a small space. So if you're like me and you're space challenged, you don't have a lot of countertop space, and you want to take advantage of all the prime real estate that you have in your home, especially in your kitchen, today we're going to share with you some ideas on how you can take advantage of a sideboard or a bar cart, and in my instance, how I'm going to share with you taking advantage of this kitchen hutch. So right now we are decorating for the fall season. So I'm going to share with you how you can put out some everyday pieces, incorporate them into your display, and then also how you can dress up your display seasonally. And that way you've kept out some everyday dishware, you've made it functional, you've taken advantage of that extra space that you have in your home on something like a bar cart or a sideboard or a kitchen hutch or something to that effect. And if you don't have a lot of cabinetry, this is a really great way for you to gain some ideas on what you can display, have readily available, and also ways that you can incorporate some holiday decor into your everyday dishware. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you what our kitchen hutch here looks like, how I have it displayed, the pieces that I've used, and how it's decorated for fall. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to share with you our kitchen hutch. So as you can see, we have it decorated for fall. I'm not going to change out what we have up there for fall for the sake of the video. However, I will change out a few of these accessory pieces we have on our shelves to show you how you can utilize your everyday essential pieces and then add in some pieces to accessorize for winter and the Christmas holiday. So right now, as you can see on our cart here, or our hutch rather, I have simply put out some plates on a small cake stand. Those are readily available, they're functional, you can use those for everyday use. I added some pumpkins to the top of them just to accessorize for the season. Here I have our set of coffee mugs and our little saucers, our cup and saucer set. I have a few bowls here. I've set out a few linen napkins and I've just simply placed a pumpkin on top. And then in the back, I've placed two of our little crocks, our Temptations crocks, and I've put some little candies in there. Over here, I've put out some wine glasses and I've put a few sizes and variety. We've got our little lit jack-o'-lantern there. And then on the second shelf, I've put out some of our juice glasses. Again, functional, readily available. Something that you can do is I have framed some recipes that were my grandmother's, so you can certainly do something like that to accessorize your cabinet. To add in a little bit of pop of color and give a little nod to the season, I've added in two small green plates behind each one of my recipes. Over here, I've added some larger glasses so that those are readily available and functional. And then I have some smaller espresso cups underneath glass domes. And I think that this presents well. It gives that cafe look. They're accessible to your guest, but you've also decorated them. By adding them underneath the domes, it's made them look a little bit more important, and it gives an overall better presentation. I've also added in for the season this pumpkin that says grateful, and then we've got our creamer cow, and then we have over here our happy fall pumpkin. So here's how I have displayed this to use everyday pieces such as glassware, plates, cups and saucers, napkins, a little bit of candy for a treat, and it's all decorated towards fall. So now we're going to change out just a few of these accessories to gear our decor towards winter. So you all remember what our hutch looked like decorated for fall. We've kept all of our key essential pieces that we used originally, all of our dishware and glassware, and now we've just added in a few elements towards the winter season. So here I've just put a sprig of greenery on our napkin. I've put a bottle brush tree in the back. I added in the Old World Santa. I've added a little bit more of our greenery here to the top of our plates. I added in 2 of these wooden trees on the end. And then on our second shelf, we took off the recipes and we added in the Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas plates that I got at the Dollar Tree. Just added in a simple wrapped gift. We've kept our glassware. On the top shelf, we just added in a large holly berry kissing ball and another sprig of greenery. And as you can see, this has now taken on a holiday look. So by just simply changing out the accessories, we were still able to keep all of our functional pieces, and now we've given a beautiful nod to the winter Christmas holiday season. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you are space challenged, you will look around your home and find something that will work for you and afford you the ability to still get functionality out of your kitchen, but also find a way that you can utilize your space to decorate and accessorize in your kitchen as well. I am going to include a link in my video description to Denise Jordan's video, and also to Creative Lauri's. So be sure and go over and check out both of these wonderful ladies. I know that they're going to share some great ideas with you as well. So hopefully you can take something away from this that you'll be able to incorporate in your own home. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Visit my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Facebook page. The online At Home with Zane store is on there as well. Be sure and check all of those out. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.